read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, we taught to the students lowercase letter t, its formation, its sound and vocabulary words. So, let's start कि आप घर पर बच्चे को कैसे ट्रेन करेंगी, कैसे सिखाएंगी. अब यहाँ पर था just tiger और tent और कैसे करवाएंगी? Start from the dot, come straight down, turn the loop, make a cut. Make sleeping line, it will make small t. The letter name is T. The sound of T is t, t, t. Tray, because it's home time. After that, okay. T, t, t. Tomato. T, t, t. Tray. T, t, t. Tiger. So, we could teach in good way, lowercase letter t, its sound and vocabulary words. Okay, I think so. Kids have tennis at home. Hold it in your hand and say tennis. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.